For those eligible, finding a vaccine isn't easy. We know this. And if you're up early searching for an appointment, we're here to help. Here are 3 things you can try to score a shot near you. First, check to see if you're a registered patient. Grady, Piedmont, and Wellstar are calling patients already in their systems. The same goes for Emory Healthcare. They have an online waiting list you can fill out. Second, sign up for notifications. Northeast Georgia Physicians Groups in Gainesville sends out alerts to people eligible or not to know when vaccines and appointments are available. And finally, try the website before calling. Many Georgia hospitals are asking people to use their vaccine registration sites before calling to sign up. You can find the links to many of those provider sites over on 11alive.com. You can also text the word vaccines to 404-885-7600, and we'll send a link directly to your phone about information on COVID-19 testing, vaccines, and more. Some students at Atlanta